What's up, everybody? Well, by viewer request, I am here to do a full house vacuuming of these two Hoover Bagless twin chambers. Over on the right is the Elite version of the Bagless twin chamber system, and on the left is the Windtunnel Bagless twin chamber. Now, between these two vacuums, I personally like to use the Windtunnel over the Elite version. And mainly the reason being is because the Windtunnel was much better with the Bagless twin chamber system than the Elite version, because this has a bypass motor which pulls everything in and then exhausts out through series of filters. Whereas the Elite style over here still use the direct air design, and it blows all the dirt into the dustbin. But that can create a bunch of problems. If you've seen my latest video of this thing, sometimes the dirt will blow around the top gasket here, and some dirt will escape back into the air you breathe. Whereas on the Windtunnel, you never have that problem because it's a bypass system. It'll more likely than not suck the seal closed rather than just blow around it. But since this is a request, let it not be said that I'm not a man of my word, and I'm going to be using both of these vacuums in a full house vacuuming. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Elite twin chamber. And now for the Windtunnel. And now we're back on the Elite twin chamber. And now back on the wind tunnel twin chamber. So that was the full house vacuuming. Now, analyzing the results, it may look like the wind tunnel has picked up a lot, but you might want to look over at the twin chamber. And first off, yeah, there's a lot of fine dust on the outside of the dirt bin. It doesn't look like it picked up that much in the dirt bin. Definitely did puff some out over the top there. Well, I can't do anything about that. That's just the way this thing's designed. And even the upper fine dust made a seal around the upper part of the dust cup, which I could potentially take this apart and try to make my own seal around the top, but I honestly don't know what good that'll do because of the way this thing's designed. Everything will just blow into the dustbin instead of just getting pulled in like the wind tunnel. Well, it is what it is. I don't know what Hoover was thinking when they think they could make this bagless system on a direct air based machine. But anyway, while I end this video and clean these things out for the next time, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning request of both these Hoover bagless twin chambers, the Elite and the wind tunnel. Be sure and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.